everyone. Today we will learn how to read time in hours and 5-minute correctness. Now look at the figure on the right. Now the hour hand here is between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is at 7. It means it is past 2. It is not 2, it is past 2. So since 7 makes 35, because 7 fives are 35, so the time is 35 minutes past 2 and it is also written as 2:35 and we read it as 2:35 also. Now in the next figure the clock shows 50 minutes because 5 tens are 50 and 50 minutes past 7 because it has not yet reached 8. So it is 50 minutes past 7. But when the minute hand moves from 10 to 12, the hour hand will be at 8. The minute hand will take 10 minutes to move from 10 to 12 after 10 minutes. The time will be 8 o'clock. So the time is also, we can read the time as 10 minutes to 8. Thus, 50 minutes past 7 and 10 minutes to 8 stand for the same time. So, it is 5 minutes past 7 in the next clock because the minute hand is at 5 and the hour hand is at 7. So, it away from 7. It is quite just away from 7. So, it is 5 minutes past 7 and it is also written as 7:05. Now, based on this explanation, let us do the exercise. That is exercise 11.3. Read the time on each of the following watches and write it in the box. Now, let us read the time. In the first clock, the minute hand is at 10. So, it is 50 minutes because 5 tens are 50. And the hour hand is just about to reach 1. It is just away from 12. It means it is past 12. So, 50 minutes past 12 means 12:50. Now, in the second clock, the hour hand is just at 4 and the minute hand is at 10. So, it is 10 minutes past 4. We can write it like this, 4:10. Now, in the third clock, the hour hand is between 6 and 7 and the minute hand is at 4. So, how many minutes are there? 5 fours are 20 minutes. 20 minutes past 6 because the hour hand has passed 6. It is away from 6. So 20 minutes past 6 means 6:20. Now next one, question number 2. Write the time in 2 ways. Now let us read the clock first of all to write the time. Here the hour hand is between 6 and 7 and it is just about to reach 7 and the minute hand is at 8. So 5 eights are 40. It means 40 minutes past 6 because it has not yet reached 7. So 40 minutes past 6, or we can say when the minute hand will just move from 8 to 12. How many minutes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 5 fours are 20. 20 minutes to 7. It is not 7 o'clock yet. It is 40 minutes past 6, but after 20 minutes it will be 7. So 40 minutes past 6 and 20 minutes to 7 stands for the same time. Second one. Here the hour hand is between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is at 11. 11 fives are 55 means 55 minutes past 2. So this is how we can write it. And how many minutes to 3? After 55, when the minute hand will move from 11 to 12 after 5 minutes, it will take 5 minutes because between every two numbers there are 5 small divisions and each division stands for minutes. So after 55 the minute hand will go to 12 and then it will be 3 o'clock, but we still have 5 minutes to 3. Now next, the hour hand is between 1 and 2 and the minute hand is at 45. So we can say 45 minutes past 1 because the hour hand has not reached 2. It is just away from 1 but it has not reached 2. So 45 minutes past 1, or we can say there are 15 minutes to 2 because 1, 2, 3. To reach at 12, the minute hand has to just cross 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 15 minutes. So it means 15 minutes to 2. Next is question number 3. The minute hands of these watches have fallen down. Draw the minute hands so as to show the correct time. Now here in these clocks, the minute hand has fallen down. So we have to show the correct time by drawing the minute hands. So here the time is 8:20. It means the hour hand should be at 8 and the minute hand should be at 4 because 5 fours are is 20. So we have to draw the minute hand at 4. In the second clock, the time is 6:50. It means the hour hand will be just nearest to 7 away from 6 and the minute hand should be at 10 because 5 tens are 50. Now in the third clock, the time is 2:25. It means the hour hand should be almost between 2 and 3 and the minute hand should be at 5 because 5 fives are is 25. Now in the fourth clock, it is 9:05 means 5 minutes past 9. So the minute hand should be at 5 and the hour hand should be at 9. Then the time will be 9:05. Now in the next question, question number 4, match the watch with the correct time. Now in the first clock, the time is 7:10 because the hour hand is at 7 and the minute hand is at 2. So 2 fives are 10. So it is 7:10. So we have to match it with the correct time. Now in the second clock, the hour hand is between 2 and 3 or just away from 2 and the minute hand is at 5. If the minute hand is at 5, it means it is 25 minutes. So 2:25. So we have to match with the correct time. Now this clock, here the hour hand is between 10 and 11. So it is past 10 and the minute hand is at 8. 5 eights are 40. It means it is 40 minutes. 10:40. So we have to match it with 10:40. In the next clock, it is the hour hand is between 5 and 6 and the minute hand is at 7. It means it is 35 minutes. 5 sevens are 35. So we have to match it with the correct time. Now in the last watch, the hour hand is between 1 and 2 and it is almost nearest to 2 and the minute hand is at 11. So it is 11 fives are 55 minutes means 1:55. So we have to match it with the correct time. Now, let us go through the next question. Question number 5. Read the first clock, write the time and then draw hands in the next clock. Now, first of all, we have to read the time here in the first watch and then we have to just draw the hands in the second clock and the third clock. So, in the first clock, the time is 7:10. Means our hand should be at 7 and minute hand should be at 2 because 5 twos are 10. It is 10 minutes. 1 hour later means after 1 hour, what will be the time? So if it is 7:10, after 1 hour means after 60 minutes, the time will be 8:10 because after 60 minutes, the hour hand will just be at 8 and the minute hand will also be at 2. So it will be 8:10. So we have to draw the hands like this. Shorter hand at 8, longer hand at 2. 8:10. The time will be written as 8:10. Because shorter hand is hour hand and longer hand is minute hand. Now 3 hours later means after 3 hours. When it is 8:10, so what will be the time after 3 hours? So after 8:10, it will be 9:10, then 10:10 and then 11:10. Okay. So the hour hand will be at 11 and the minute hand will be at 2 and the time will be 11:10. The time will be 11:10. Next is question number 6. Look at the watches on the left and write the correct time to complete the sentence. Then draw hands on the watch given on the right. And first one is done for you. So let's see. Now in the first watch, the hour hand is between 3 and 4 and the minute hand is at 6. So the time is 3:30. Now let's see what to do. 3:30 is 30 minutes after So 3:30 means 30 minutes after what? 30 minutes after 3. So in the second watch, we have to just show the time, that is 3 o'clock. The hour hand should be at 3 and minute hand should be at 12. So that the time can be shown as 3 o'clock. Now in the second watch, the hour hand is between 6 and 7 and the minute hand is at 6. So the time is, whenever the minute hand is at 6, so it is half past. Half past 6 means 6:30. So time in the watch on the left is 6:30, which means 30 minutes after 6. So 6:30 is 30 minutes after 6. So in the second watch, we have to show the time 6 o'clock. The hour hand should be at 6 and minute hand should be at 12. Now in the third watch, on the left, the hour hand is between 2 and 3 and it is just closer to 3. It is near about 3. It is just to reach 3 and the minute hand is at 9. If the minute hand is at 9, it means it is 45 minutes. 9 fives are 45. So the time is 2:45, or you can say quarter to 3. So 2:45 is 45 minutes after 2. 2:45 means 45 minutes past 2 or 45 minutes after 2. So in the second watch, we have to show the time, that is 2 o'clock. The hour hand should be at 2 and the minute hand should be at 12. Now in the next watch, the hour hand is between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is at 8. Minute hand at 8 means 40 minutes. So it is 40 minutes past 2 means 2:40. So here we have to write the time 2:40 according to the watch on the left, and 2:40 is 20 minutes before. 20 minutes before what? So after 20 minutes, it will be 3, because when minute hand will move from 8 to 12, the hour hand will be at 3. So the time will be 3. So 2:40 is 20 minutes before 3. So in the next watch on the right, we have to show the time 3 o'clock. The hour hand should be at 3 and minute hand should be at 12. Now in the last watch on the left, the minute hand is between 9 and 10 and the hour hand is at 6. It means the time is 9:30. So here we have to write 9:30, and now let's read the sentence. 9:30 is 30 minutes before. Now it is 30 minutes after 9 and 30 minutes before 10. So here we have to write 10, and on the watch which is on left, we have to show the time 10 o'clock. So the hour hand should be at 10 and minute hand should be at 12. Now in the next watch on the left, the minute hand is between 5 and 6, and we can say it is just few minutes away from 5. So the minute hand is at 3. It means 15 minutes. 15 minutes past 3 means 5:15. The time is 5:15. So here we have to write 5:15, and 5:15 is 15 minutes after what? 5:15 means 15 minutes after 5. So in the second watch on the left, we have to show the time 5 o'clock. The hour hand should be at 5. The minute hand should be at 12. Now in the last watch, the hour hand is between 4 and 5 and the minute hand is at 9. Means 45 minutes. The time is 4:45. So 4:45 is 15 minutes before what? When it is before, so you have to write the second hour. Fine, the hour hand is between 4 and 5, so you have to write the second one. So 4:45 is 15 minutes before 5. So in the second watch on the right, you have to show the time 5 o'clock. Fine. So hour hand should be at 5 and minute hand should be at 12. Now the next question, question number 8. Draw hands and write the time. Now here the activity is given and you have to just draw the hands and write the time. Now first one is school. You go to school, the time is given 7:30. So it is given that you go to school at 7:30. So in the clock you have to show the time 7:30. For it, the hour hand should be between 7 and 8 and the minute hand should be at 6 and the time will be 7:30. Now in the second one, it is written your father goes to work. Your father goes to work at 9. Now it is up to you that at what time you and your family members perform this activity. So you will write the time according to you. Fine. Whatever I have written, it is just for example. Fine. It is just to tell you what you are supposed to do. But you will write the time when your father goes to work. Fine. So I have written here 9. So in the watch, I have to show the time, that is 9. So the hour hand should be at 9 and minute hand should be at 12. Now next one, you go to play. So when do you go for play? So it is up to you that what is your time for playing. Now I have written here 5. So I have to show the time here on the clock, that is 5. So hour hand should be at 5 and minute hand should be at 12. Similarly, you will complete the remaining parts according to you, that at what time you perform a particular activity. Like you go to bed. Now it is up to you. When do you go to bed? Okay, like I have written here 10. So I have to show the time on the watch, that is 10. So at the hour hand should be at 10 and minute hand should be at 12 for the time, that is 10 o'clock. Now you watch TV. Now when you watch TV, it is up to you that what is your time of watching TV. I have written 8. So I have to show the time on the watch, that is 8. So the hour hand should be at 8 and minute hand should be at 12. Now next one, your school closes. Now at what time your school closes? I have written the timing 2. So I have to show the time 2. So hour hand is at 2 and minute hand is at 12. Next is your lunch break starts. So I have written the timing 11. So hour hand should be at 11 and minute hand should be at 12. So this is how you have to do this exercise.